Hi, my lovely Scorpions. Welcome back to Tarot Talks. I hope you guys are doing good and are safe with your family and loved ones. So, Scorpions, please forgive me. Actually, I smudged the um, Palo Santo, so most of the times I end up coughing. Anyway, so guys, like always, we are going to do the collective reading for your sign for the month of October 2024. Please note that it's a collective reading and it might not resonate with all, so just take what resonates and leave the rest. Okay, you would also want to check other signs in your birth chart for a better and clearer understanding. Also guys, if any of this is your story, if any of this resonates with you, do give the video a thumbs up, drop comments, share your experiences, and last but not the least, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. So guys, this month I'm changing the pattern a bit because people's attention span is getting like smaller and smaller day by day, okay, and rather lesser day by day. So I decided to change a pattern a bit. Let me know what you think about it. If you like it, don't like it, you want me to revert to the original pattern, do let me know in the comments. Okay, so the pattern that I'm going to do is I'm going to pull a card for health, one for career slash finances, and last will be relationships or any other general messages. Okay, and I'll be pulling one affirmation card and few tarot charms for you guys. Okay, so before that, let me tell you the pre-shuffling energy. Some of you guys, I felt that someone out there is wanting to communicate something to you, okay, or send a message to you, but they are kind of holding back. Okay, they are kind of literally stuck and feeling stuck, or they are like, should I or shouldn't I feel that I actually felt that someone is typing the message and deleting it, typing the message and deleting it. Okay, it could be you who wants to communicate something to someone, but you have not sent that message yet. Okay, some of you guys might have started seeing things from a different perspective over some matter. Okay, over some matter or about somebody. Okay, 360-degree change of perspective. Okay, hanged man Piscean energy was coming through very very strongly. Then for some of you guys, I saw that someone out there might like there are 2-3 messages that came through me. I'll tell you the pair that I saw. It was Emperor and 10 of Pentacles, very abundant energy. Emperor is the Aries energy. So some of you guys, you're going to receive money from inheritance for sure. Okay, like this is a very specific message, but someone out there definitely is going to receive money from inheritance, like property or any money from your parents or grandparents. Okay, you are the direct beneficiary of that wealth or whatever it is, property or money. Okay, for others, you might get awards, recognitions, promotion at workplace. Maybe you will be promoted to a higher uh, designation in your career. Okay, that could also be the case. Either ways, a lot of money is what I saw for you guys. Okay, someone out there might be, someone's mother was also showing up. Okay, you might be celebrating your mom's milestone birthday, or I don't know what it was, but something related to mother. Okay, some of you guys might become a mother. Okay, become or might be expecting, and now that you have, it was a feeling like my family feels complete now. Okay, that was also coming through very very strongly. There was one more message that I saw, a Fool card. Okay, someone is getting a fresh start, total reboot over something. Okay, that's what I saw. Okay, yeah, so those were some of the messages, guys. Overall, Scorpions, the messages were on a lighter note, and nothing serious or nothing grave came up out of your pre-shuffling energy, which is such a relief to know. Okay, and yeah, with that, let's get started, guys. Let's start with your health reading. Okay, or your main reading. Yeah, Okay, that is your health card. This is your career card. And this is your relationship or general message. Okay, relationship or general message. Yeah, see, there is Six of Pentacles. Definitely, give and take of money is happening at your end. Okay, you're going to receive money, is what I'm getting very, very strongly. Anyways, guys, let's get started. Your health card is showing up as Six of Cups. Okay, now this is telling me that probably some of you guys might be, reflecting on your older self or older version, like how you used to be. Okay, or maybe like how fit you were, or how fit you used to be, or maybe the other way around, that you were not so fit earlier and now you have become fitter and you have become conscious of your health. Okay, but you are actually going back to your past and peeping into your past is what I'm getting, guys, and thinking about your past. Okay, some of you guys, you guys are overall feeling very emotional is what I'm getting. When it comes to your mental health or your mental state, you are feeling absolutely emotional, and you probably are missing your childhood days or missing someone from your past is what I'm getting. Okay, some of you guys might also be, when it comes to your dietary changes or your workout changes, you might be shifting to age old traditional methods. Like for example, instead of hitting gym, you might be preferring going outdoors and walking or running, or hiking. Okay, so when it comes to your diet, instead of going for any fancy diets or any protein shakes, you might be sticking to age old, healthy diets, where eating on time, sleeping on time, eating a wholesome meal, home cooked meal. Okay, that is what I'm getting when it comes to your health reading, guys, and which is a good thing to know actually, because these days, many people are kind of, they are getting aware how good our lives were earlier. Okay, we used to live a healthy lifestyle. In fact, only yesterday, last night itself, I and my brother had this conversation that we used to not binge eat so much. Like we used to have our proper meals, and the mid meal snacking was not as much as we do it now. And my brother said most of the times it's stress induced these days. Okay, yes, we end up into mindless eating or binge eating, what we call, and that is major factor which makes us maybe gain weight, or makes us eat unhealthy, or cultivate or culminate unhealthy eating habits. Okay, so maybe now, these days I see many people who are getting very, very fitness conscious, and they are reverting to our old days. Okay, our childhood days, and they are kind of sticking to home cooked meals, and they are eating well, sleeping on time, exercising. Okay, Scorpions, I feel that you are doing that. Okay, I feel that some of you guys might also be practicing yoga. Okay, and traditional ways, going to back to traditional ways is what I'm seeing. Okay, make sure that you're keeping yourself hydrated, guys. I also feel that some of you guys might be getting cold, like a lot of cold, congestion, sinusitis kind of a thing. So just be very, very careful about that, and make sure you're drinking lots of water, you're having lots of fluids. Okay, and by fluids I specifically mean water. Make sure that you are keeping yourself hydrated. Okay, so that's your health message, guys. Again, nothing grave. In fact, what I'm seeing is it's a very nice and motivating message. Okay, and whatever you're doing is great, keep it up. Okay, and if at all you are not doing it, maybe you can take this cue and start following that. Okay, your current energy or your health and your career energy is showing up as the World card. Some of you guys, one thing is I'm getting, some of you guys might You guys might get an on-site opportunity, you might get an opportunity to travel for workplaces, or some of you guys might be working remotely is what I'm getting. Okay, you might not be visiting office, either like your work setup is like that, or maybe for a couple of days or months you are working remotely is what I'm getting. Okay, maybe you're traveling somewhere, maybe you have gone to your home back, you have gone back home and you're working remotely from there. Okay, maybe someone is doing vacation. Okay, some of you guys, your career is going through major breakthrough is what I'm getting. Okay, like a major change is what I'm getting. Let me just quickly pull a clarifier this for this world card. Please tell me more about the world card showing up in the career position. Well. Yeah, the Ace of Wands is repeated twice, guys. There is Ace of Wands here as well. Yeah, you guys, someone might be. I told you, right? Your career is going a major transformation. Okay, some of you guys might be starting a new, or you might be joining a new workplace altogether. Okay, maybe some of you guys might be starting a new business line of business. Okay, some of you guys might be kick-starting a new project. Okay, but major change is happening at your career front is what I'm getting. A huge leap. Okay, maybe from some of you guys, because I while pre-shuffling also I told you, right, some of you guys might be getting promotion or awards recognitions as well. So it could be that you are into an IC role at your workplace and now you're moving to a managerial role. Okay, that could also be the change. Or some of you guys might be changing a job altogether. Okay, but something major is happening, a major breakthrough is what I'm getting for you guys. Okay, life coming full circle is what I'm also getting. Some of you guys might also be rejoining your old workplace. Okay, like for example, you were working in ABC organization previously. Okay, and now you were for a couple of years you were into PQR, so now you're moving back to ABC is also what I'm getting. Okay, life coming full circle for some of you guys. Yeah, very interesting, guys. Scorpions, another thing I'm getting very strongly is, apart from career message I'm getting over here, some of you guys might be expecting a baby. Pregnancy is what I'm getting very strongly. Inception of something new, a new chapter beginning is what I'm getting over here. Some of you guys, if you are dating, if you are seeing alliances, this person finds you extremely beautiful, or handsome. Okay, depending on your gender. And you it's the kind of energy that is coming is that you make their life complete is what I'm getting. Okay, very beautiful energy coming through over here. Could be a possibly earth sign or a fire sign, strong fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or earth, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn is showing up over here. Okay, moving on to your relationships. Ten of Pentacles, guys. You are definitely going relationship slash general message. Okay, you guys definitely are in for a lot of abundance. Okay, I have no doubt about it. You are going to get a lot of money. Okay, either through inheritance or maybe new job, new promotion. Okay, new like, or a good hike, whatever it is. If you are into business, your business is going to make very or do very well. Okay, that is also what I'm getting. And Knight of Swords and Seven of Cups is what I'm getting. Okay, for some of you guys, you might be in that in and out energy currently. Okay, you are feeling little muddled about something, you are little confused about something is what I'm getting. Maybe you have a lot of options to choose from and you're not sure which one to pick. Okay, uh, yeah, a lot of in and out is what I'm getting, a lot of confusion is what I'm getting. Okay, but guys, do not make any hasty decision, or do not act impulsively is what I'm getting over here. Okay, let's pull one more clarifier over here. What does this Seven of Cups or Knight of Swords Till let me use the clarifier deck. I'll keep this ace of wands over here. See, knight of swords is showing up again. So guys, one thing is for sure, expect a lot of changes, sudden changes in your life. Okay, like it's a fast moving energy is showing up in your life. So you, maybe it could be a change in your career, or it could be a change in your relationship. Okay, today you're single, tomorrow all you know is you're into a committed relationship. Okay, or today you are in this job, tomorrow you are in another job in another state or country, for all we know. Okay, so that kind of change is what I'm getting, guys. Let's still pull clarifier. Please tell me more about this knight of swords. What is this knight of sword? Tell you. A lot of cards flipped. Let me just put back again. Please tell me more about the general or Seven of Pentacles, Eight of Wands. Guys, yeah, you Eight of Wands, Eight of Pentacles. Guys, you guys definitely, some of you guys are going to travel, okay? Travel overseas is what I'm getting very, very strongly. World card, Eight of Wands, both are saying overseas travel. Maybe not now, but if not now, maybe few months down the line, okay? Right now, someone over there is working very hard on himself or herself, okay? Self growth. Okay, you are focused on yourself, your growth, in terms, like personally, professionally. Okay, maybe you're learning new skills, maybe you're taking care of yourself, and maybe you're very focused on your career. Okay, and I see that you definitely are focused on your career, and you're going to get rewarded for that. Scorpions, mark my words, you are going to get rewarded for whatever efforts you're putting at your workplace. Okay, expect lot of communication coming your way, like lot of communication, lot of messages, phones, emails being exchanged is what I'm getting. And one very interesting message came to me just now. You know what, there could be a possibility that you might get an offer, you know, which will that offer will be like too good to resist or too good to be true kind of an offer. Okay, and it might require you to relocate, and you're confused about that probably. Okay, should I take it or not, should I take it or not, should I accept it or not? Okay, and I think this confusion is stemming up from there, and this is going to happen so quickly, so suddenly, that it will catch you by surprise. And you know, you will be like literally, you know, you won't, you'll be overwhelmed. You'll be like, what is happening, like what is happening, how did my life get so interesting all of a sudden? You know, that's that kind of energy I'm getting. Please tell me more about the Seven of Cups, or shadow is what is showing up over here. Please tell me more. What should the Scorpions do in this case? What should the Scorpions do in this case? Guys, your reading is getting creepier. I mean, really, I mean, Scorpions, one thing is for sure, that you know, some major karmic events are happening in your life. Okay, major learnings over here. World card is a major signifier, or symbolic, it's symbolic of karmic events. Okay, some major karmic events like birth, death, marriage, divorces. Okay, whatever is applicable to you, the angels are saying that, you know, you should come out of your shadow side, understand what is it that is, what lesson that you need to learn. Okay, what are you afraid of? Okay, just kind of introspect. There is a hermit energy over here. Okay, just kind of take a step back, introspect, ask yourself those questions, and you know, learn that lesson. Okay, You need to overcome your shadow side is what I'm getting. I also feel the Emperor is showing up yet again. And when I see this karmic card, I feel that you have gone through some major transformation along with your family. Not just you, your entire family has seen certain some phases of life, okay, like the lows and the highs. You have seen it together, and you as your family as a whole is going through this transformation is what I'm getting, guys, okay. There could be an angel watching over you. That is also what I'm getting. The Emperor here, the strong presence of the Emperor, and it being accompanied by the 10 of Pentacles card while pre-shuffling and also in your main reading is telling me that someone who has ascended, okay, is on the other side, is definitely watching you over is what I'm getting, guys. Yeah, that surely is coming very very strongly. I mean, I had this hunch while pre-shuffling also, but now that I'm seeing these cards, it is getting confirmed. You are definitely watched over by an angel is what I'm getting, okay. Could be an Aries, okay. Virgo is coming through strongly. So anyway, guys, whatever karmic events or churn of events you have gone, make sure that you are learning your lessons is what I'm trying to tell you, okay. Maybe a little break, maybe some introspection, some isolation will help you get those answers, okay. And there is one more thing that I'm getting. Some of you guys might get a huge shift, okay, a huge shift in terms of career. Maybe you might step up into managerial or leadership role as well, okay. That is also coming through very very strongly for some of you guys, okay. For a very different message that came up to me now is someone out there who probably I don't know who needs to hear this, but maybe you need to bring in some discipline into your routine, okay. Maybe you need to, organize your day a little better. You should make a space for everything: personal life, professional life, your health, okay. If you're not doing that, start doing that, okay. I also feel that some of you guys, if you're not standing up for yourself, it's time to stand up for yourself and speak for yourself, okay. Don't let others kind of walk over you, okay. You don't need to fear anyone or anything, okay, anybody or anything, okay. Step up into your power, speak up for yourself, put your foot down and stand up for yourself, okay. So that is also what is coming to me. Maybe you need to stand up and speak for your family as well, okay. Since the karma card is here and so much of family energy is coming, maybe you should speak for your family as well, okay. You should take, you should take the reins in your hand and start talking on behalf of yourself or your family if required, okay. Very very different and very very specific messages coming through. 6 of Pentacles, give and take of money is what I'm seeing. If you had lent money to anybody in the past, maybe that person will come and give you that money, okay. I don't think you are borrowing money, okay. I don't think so. But I think you are going to get money that you have lent out, okay. But definitely exchange of money, and that too lot of money is what I'm seeing over here. Ace of Swords showing up again. New beginnings, brand new beginnings. It could be a start of new project, okay, for some of you guys. If not a new job, it could be new project at your current workplace is what I'm getting, okay. Something that will that you're going to enjoy, okay. It's as per your, it's going hand in hand with your skill sets and your passion, okay. So this opportunity, probably this could be the game changer, okay. This could be that much needed push in your career or lift in your career is what I'm getting, okay. Scorpions, that was quite an interesting reading. I had definitely not expected that, okay. So let's pull one message from this is an affirmation card. If at all I'm not able to interpret the card, we will read it from the guidebook, okay, because some cards are little trickier in this deck, okay. Maybe you can use this affirmation throughout the month. Library, take control of your own narrative. Oh my goodness, look at this. I mean, just look at this. Didn't I just tell you that you need to stand up for yourself, speak for yourself? And this is what the angels are affirming. Oh my god, look at this hand. It's like as if the universe, the angels are actually, communicating through these cards, and I am just absolutely in awe of this beautiful tool called tarot, and I have no words to thank my angels and my spirit guides. Okay, take control of your own narrative. Oh my goodness, I am short of getting goosebumps, guys. Oh my god, guys, you need to take control of your life. Okay, it's your life, it's your book. You are the writer, you hold that pen, and you are supposed to write your own story. Okay, you are supposed to write your own script and not others. Don't give that power to others. Such a beautiful and powerful message, and such a beautiful affirmation this is. I would urge you to keep on reminding yourself this, guys, and I surely would remind myself this over and over again, guys. Why not? Such a beautiful and powerful message that is. Wow, Scorpions, I am in awe of this reading, literally. Let's pull some charms and conclude the reading, guys. My favorite part, actually. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is what actually kind of struck my attention first and foremost, guys. It's going to rain money on you, like literally. And please, you're out to tell me if any such thing happens, but money, abundance, prosperity written all over, like all over, hands down. I choose strength. Such a beautiful charm. It doesn't need any explanation. Definitely it's going hand in hand with whatever he spoke about. Believe in love. Of course one should believe in love, and probably love will come knocking at your door. Okay, that is also what I got it this while pre-shuffling, during a pre-shuffling energy. Okay, someone might just come and pop up that question and make you that offering, and maybe this could be that major boost or major shift or sudden change in your energy. Okay, finding your soulmate, that could be the sudden change. And initial H. Okay, initial H, person, place, thing, anything that reminds you of this initial. Okay, H for horse. Wow, Scorpions, I really loved this reading, and I know it became longer. I am very much aware of that, but the messages just kept coming through and I couldn't resist myself. Okay, do let me know what you think of this pattern, and or you want me to revert to the old pattern. Okay, I'll be waiting for your comments. I'll see you next one directly, guys. Till then, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye, take care.